welcome back to Bear Cave Watch Reviews. I'm your host, Papa Bear. Today I will be showcasing one of my newer pieces in my collection, and that is this beauty right here, the Bertucci A2-T Titanium Field Watch. And as you can tell, it is not another Invicta. So, now, I am kind of different from other watch reviewers on YouTube, mostly because I am the new guy. So I haven't really worked out any relationships with micro brands out there to get a bunch of watches sent for review. And also I don't really have a set budget that I keep just to go buy watches to review whenever I want. One of the things that I did say when I started this channel was that I was going to be reviewing my personal collection first and then move on to other brands. So I am still trying to do that. And at the same time, I think sometimes I should have called the channel Cheapskate Watch Reviews, not because I have cheap watches or I review cheap watches, just because I'm always looking for the best bargain. So anyhow, let's talk about this field watch and why I think it's really a great value for money. And again, for those of you that don't know, Bertucci is a brand that has been around for a while, and they do field watches, and these are amazing field watches. I'll tell you this, I got it second hand. I bought it, it was actually brand new, and it still had the sticker on. I actually peeled that off the back, but it was brand new from the person they bought it. They ended up not liking it, and it sold it to me for a really great price. So let's get into this. So it does have a case diameter of 40 millimeters, case thickness of 12 millimeters, and the bandwidth is 22. This is a titanium case, heavy duty nylon band, which is really, really great. I tell you what, compared to regular NATO straps, this strap is worlds tougher than just your standard NATO strap. And also the titanium is lighter and stronger than regular steel. Now, it does have mineral crystal up here. This isn't sapphire. For some people, you know, they're going to say, well, that's a deal breaker. But of course, sapphire is, even though it's more scratch resistant, it's also more prone to, if you bang it, it does chip or break easier. So, and it does have a quartz movement with a screw down crown here at the 4 o'clock position and a date window there. And I'll see if I can get in here right there. So there it is, 200 meters of water resistant titanium, model number. The lume on this is amazing, and I will actually do a lume shot later for you to see it. It's on the website. It says it's equipped with its legendary U.S. patented solid titanium unibody, and what that basically means is that, I'll show you here. This is great. The lugs are actually built into the case. Okay, so they're not going to pop off anytime soon. And he's got 3 buckles over here. Really, really great high-end strap. So now, I've gone over some of the basics. Oh yeah, and it retails anywhere from $120 to $150. I didn't pay that. I actually got a really great deal for it. So anyway, it is quartz, as you see. It does have really nice numerals on it. The hands are nice and white crisp with the lume on there. And that red second hand, I just really like it there with a little bit of orange on the tip. So I got this from an app shopping place after I saw a review by Relative Time on it. I watched his review. I knew a little bit about the watch, but once I saw that review, I said, yep, I think I want to get it because I wanted a good field watch, and this one in particular is a great field watch. I'm going to say something that's probably going to get some heat, but I think it's just as good as a Hamilton, except without the sapphire crystal, and I know some Hamiltons are automatic and this one is not. But as far as the build quality, this is an amazing piece. It really, really feels great in the hand and awesome on the wrist. I will pop it on my wrist, but first, customary wrist shot. I have my father's Seiko 5, and I've put it on a Ritchie Band canvas strap with the quick release that I'm trying out, and I'll be doing a review on that as well. So let's pop this bad boy on the wrist and see what it looks like. Now, like I said, I bought this off of a app that you can do some shopping on for good, inexpensive stuff. Let's put it that way. So very easy to read, face, and it fits perfectly. You see it's not too high right there. Plenty of room there for a bigger wrist. I think it wears perfect. It's 40 millimeters. It has that reliable quartz movement. I've worn this watch pretty much almost every day, at least for a couple of hours since I've had it. So I really like it. The supply strap, like I said, it's superior to any other straps that I've had. And I will tell you that Bertucci does also sell straps. So if you're looking for some really high quality straps, definitely recommend them. So the overall feeling about the watch, I love it. I was very excited when I got it. When I opened the package, even though it didn't come in the box, I was blown away when I picked it up. I was like, wow, this feels like a hefty piece, even though it's titanium. And I do honestly think I've had a Hamilton Khaki. I've worn it before, and I think this is just as good at a fraction of the cost. This is, in my opinion, this is not only a great field watch, but an absolute perfect beater watch. It's something you can wear with jeans, shorts, khakis. You can wear it to work. You can wear it out and about. I've ridden my motorcycle with it. Any gravel that's hit it, no problem at all. So I really, really like this watch. I can definitely tell you that. It doesn't feel like a $120 watch. It feels like it's much more expensive than that. I'm telling you, it's just amazing. The buckles are really nice. They're very strong, well built in there. And there's other supported stitching in there as well, so it's just a really good purchase. The best value for the money, I can tell you for sure. I've looked at other field watches. I even thought, okay, let me see what Invicta might have as far as a quote-unquote field watch. They didn't really have anything that was calling to me, and I know there's Seiko watches out there as well, and I do have one on my list to get this year, a Seiko field watch, and it will complement this one, I think. I can go back and forth. I was going to get it in black, but since I've got this in black, I may do the blue or the khaki face. So anyway, I will definitely tell you that this Bertucci line, it just doesn't get enough love, and it really should, because it's a very good quality watch. Also, this video is coming out a day late, and I do apologize for that. Had some technical difficulties with my equipment yesterday, and I couldn't get the video out and about, so I do apologize. But I also wanted to tell you that I am going to keep bringing content to the channel, especially going to be doing a review later on these straps. I have a giveaway going on right now on my Facebook page, and I'm going to put a link to that down in the description. This is that Ritchie brand strap with the quick release pins. It feels really, really nice, but I'll do a more in-depth review later. Just wanted to show you. And as always, thank you for watching. If you liked what you see, like the video, definitely put some comments down there, and subscribe, share this with your friends, and we will see you next time.